You can say the application of ice cubes over the skin is a famous home remedy for beautiful skin. It is not a new technique for us, and we have been using this for a long. Summer can be terrible for your skin due to hot weather and heavy sweating. Ice cubes are beneficial for our skin in various ways. Ice is a well-known secret to having clear skin and healthy glow. To unlock these skincare benefits, you simply have to use an ice cube on your face, whether it is to reduce your under-eye or face puffiness. Now there's a reason behind this madness. Applying ice to the skin causes blood to rise to the skin's surface, smoothing and tightening the skin while leaving behind a rosy glow. Whether you want to keep your skin cool or want to make your makeup stick to your skin for longer on a hot summer day, an ice cube is the ultimate answer to all your worries. It is the most effective way than expensive products to keep yourself beautiful and radiant in this harsh season. An ice cube can help keep your skin healthy. Reduce puffy eyes. Puffy eyes may cause various reasons, but the most common causes are lack of sleep and eye strain. Ice has the quality to reduce swellings and thus makes these swollen bags disappear quickly. Apply ice to the affected areas, and your beautiful eyes will get back in shape. You can add a little bit of black coffee to your ice cube, and you'd notice much faster results. Reduce pain. If you are threading your eyebrows for the first time, it is best to rub ice cubes for a few seconds before shaping, as it helps numb the pain to a great extent. Just before shaping your eyebrows, wrap a plain ice cube in a thin cloth and massage your eyebrows for a few seconds. Then after shaping, also massage for a few seconds. Diminishes signs of aging. Nobody wants a single wrinkle on their face, as it represents your aging. While you cannot reverse your aging, you can control it. Regularly rubbing ice cubes on the skin is a great way to reduce and prevent signs of aging. It improves blood circulation and helps tighten your skin pores. Wrinkles. Cold water treatment can prevent future wrinkles. If you're in your late 20s, then start doing it often. It will make your skin smoother and you'll not need to use the expensive anti-wrinkle creams and retinol. Reduce redness with ice cubes. You can reduce the redness of your skin using ice cubes. If you have an allergic reaction or inflamed skin, or any kind of rash, you can use an ice cube to soothe your skin and reduce the redness. Exfoliate your skin. Ice is the best natural exfoliator that can instantly give you the result. Rub your face with milk ice cubes. Milk contains lactic acid that helps in clearing all the dead skin cells, while the ice cube improves your radiance and natural glow. Burns fat. You might think you're just icing your face, but the cranial nerves control the nerves of the heart, digestive tract, and skeletal muscles. Dipping your face in ice water can influence your nerves to burn fat throughout the body. Improves blood circulation. Improvement in blood circulation is one of the most important benefits of ice on the face. Inculcate the habit of rubbing ice cubes on your face regularly. This will help increase blood circulation on your face, and better blood circulation is bound to give your face a healthy and fresh glow. Eat light and wear right. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water and fresh fruit juices, and eat fresh seasonal vegetables, as they are all good for a healthy gut in summers, and wear breathable fabrics, as it's good for the skin.